Today we have a 2014 Dodge Challenger. We're replacing the outer tie rods, so let's get these wheels off.
Alright guys, now before I actually remove it, I'm going to go ahead and take this locking nut and move it forward with number 24, just to make our life easier when trying to remove it back. And if you see something odd in this video, yeah, I definitely saw that too, and I'm going to have to correct that and make another video of it. But so first thing, 24, move this back, and then now we're going to come with a 21 here and remove this nut here. So now that I've moved this nut backwards, as well as move that 21 nut here, I'm going to strike the side here of a hammer, shocking it to drop this, or you can use a ball joint removal tool or aka a fork, put it right between the ball joint and just knock it down. Either or, we're just going to go ahead and take this off the spindle and get ready to replace it. Now with the tie rod removed here, we're just going to back this out, turning it counterclockwise, counting the amount of times. That's what I like to do. Also, since this nut's going to stay here, all we can pretty much just put it back in the same position and lock it in place. Now, if you have trouble removing this, what you're going to want to do, 21 to 15. 15 holding this portion here in the inner tie rod, and then 21 right here to turn it back. So we're going to turn this out, get the new one installed, and then install it back into the spindle. Alright, also, outer tie rod fully installed. This is a move, so I went ahead and put a grease fitting. This one has a cotter pin as well. That's also placed in there. So now of our 24, we're just going to lock this into place and take it straight to alignment. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and more videos to come.